have waited for 27 long years to get justice to deliver, and I am very happy today. Justice has been delivered. It has proved the majesty of law, and even though I waited for so long, I always said this was not uh, prosecution as such. This was political persecution. I have always maintained it from the beginning. So I am happy to have come out of it. Ultimately, truth has to triumph. And rather, I take this opportunity to thank all those who made this thing to happen. Because I feel I have emerged even much stronger than what I am as a consequence of winning this case. Because I always believed and had faith in the courts that I will get justice. And I have got justice today. Even though it has been a long wait, it is worth the wait. Because ultimately, in the end, what order comes or what is pronounced is much more than what one has gone through. I only wonder one thing: the 27 years you all are members of the press, all the ignominy, all the bad publicity, and the way people have flattened me. I wonder who is going to give me back my honor and dignity of what I lost in these 27 years. I remember earlier days, I could not even go for public functions. The way entire press came, it was first a media trial. I could not even face the public. I used to go to church regularly. I stopped going to church. Till today, that habit continued. And because everybody thought I have done some mistake. And what was the allegation against me? It was never of corruption. It was never of a quid pro quo. All that bottom line was that I issued a notification not going to the cabinet. That decision had to go to the cabinet. But very clearly, the then Advocate General, the late Vijay Natkani, gave an opinion. And I was told very clearly at that point of time, we will go 100% as per that opinion. What that opinion said, this decision can be ratified. There will be 100 such decisions which are taken by the government. Earlier cabinet had taken a decision. Later on, only the minister or without going to the cabinet, minister and chief minister cleared the proposal and it went through. Only in my case, for having not gone to the cabinet, it became a huge criminal case, and I have to face the brunt of it. I wonder whether what I lost in terms of my fair name and image, I will ever get it back. But I am happy that having gone through all this over so many years, I have emerged much stronger. So I want to profusely thank the people who deliberately made this happen.
You said that this is case of political vendetta. This complaint was filed by you were in BJP.
I don't want to take any names, but I only want to, as I said, thank all those who made this happen. And if you are going to impute names, which leader of opposition or who in the opposition will leave a chance when the ruling party itself gives something in their hand, ready-made material? So I will never blame the late Manohar Parrikar. Even if perhaps I was leader of opposition, I would have done the same thing. But personally, I would not have done it. But any other politician would have done it. So he did best to defame a person from the other side of the fence. Because, politically we are always aligned for or against ruling and opposition. So why should I blame him? I thank all those who actually filed this case very systematically. It is a unique case. It's a case study actually for everyone. How politically, when a person cannot be defeated, I am a 7 times elected MLA, the senior most MLA, and for it not being possible to defeat me politically, they thought they will entangle me in legal battle. On all the sides, I know I have many things that I can say, but I don't want to be bitter at this moment. I consider it as a very sweet victory. I am happy. I have become and emerged much stronger.
So you blame the Congress and ruling party for and in all this.
I think the facts are there before everyone. I did not say anything. समझने वाले को इशारा काफी है. You all were also members of the press. Some of you are veterans in that. You all know who did it and why it was done. So just to fix me politically.
This time Rani was simply did it for everything.
I don't want to take any names. I only said I will thank everyone for having made it happen. For me to know what is a trial, don't forget 2 earlier cases also which were filed. One case was converted into 3 cases. and I came out clean. Argument before charge, those cases were thrown up. Don't forget, this particular case was reopened. It was already closed. It was taken to the cabinet and reopened. Can the cabinet be used as an instrument to reopen the case? This is also a question, no? But it was reopened, taking to the cabinet. And whenever you reopen the case, there is something called further investigation. There is something called re-investigation. It was all confused, and I think the statements also given by various people, various witnesses, proved the fact that it was purely abuse of the process of law, as I would call it.